It comes with three serums of vitamin C.
Look what the hot body can do. Focus. Look what the hot body.
Good morning, beautiful people. How are you today? Happy Saturday. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome to my returning peeps. So today is a busy day, but the first thing I want to do is to get into my Amazon unboxing. I bought some new skincare. No, if you guys have been watching my vlog, I use the regular ordinary and some other brands on my skin. Very simple skincare routine. But I figured, well, Amazon had the Prime Day the other day, and I went on the haul and I was just seeing like some reasonable skincare products. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it because my skin, the products that I'm using, they're okay. It's not acting up my skin. It's good for my skin. It just keeps my skin okay. But I'm not really seeing much improvement, As it relates to my dark spots, they're still there. I probably need to get something specifically to for dark spots. But I was like, you know what? I'm in Amazon right now. This is cheap. Let me tell you the brand. The brand is DRY Iman. So Dr. Yaman. Yeah, so DRYIMAN. So this is it. It comes with three serums of vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and retinol serum. So I was like, you know what, let me try it. So I need to pull it right now to show you guys how it looks. I am hoping and praying it does, changing your skin routine for something that's not like damaging your skin is kind of scary and risky. And this is Brenda Holding Products. It's something I've never heard of this brand too, but like I said, I only bought it because of the price. And it has a retinol in it, which retinol is good for skin care. And it's both for night and day. Hold on. Yeah, it's both for night and day skincare routine. So, vitamin C is for brightening, pore refining, calming. The retinol is for anti-wrinkling, moisturizing, brightening. And the hyaluronic acid is for deep hydrating, nourishing, firming. So I can't remember the price that I put for it, but if you guys are interested, if you know this brand, comment down below if you want to try it. It's in my Amazon storefront. Hold on, let me try pull it because I want to use it right now. All right, so it's for daytime use, cleanse face thoroughly, apply an amount of the acid serum to face and neck. Okay, currently I have used the ordinary toner already, so I already have that on my face. So I'm gonna use the acid serum to my face and then use the serum, the vitamin C, and then I'm gonna use a moisturizer. No, I didn't buy any moisturizer. I'm just gonna use my normal moisturizer. And I need to hurry up because I have something to do today, which is pretty new for me, but it's called making money. Okay? So let me hurry up and get over this and then I'll jump into what we're up to for today. Oh, so this is how the box came. I wonder if I should do an unboxing for TikTok. I'm gonna take time and not to mess it up. Alright, so I'm supposed to use the hyaluronic acid. Let me use that. That's retinol. Alright. So this is it. Hope you guys can see. I hope you guys can actually see me. It's probably kind of a little bit dark. But I don't know where my lighting is. So small amounts. I'm just gonna put a small amount on. So you say apply a small amount onto your fingertips and massage into your face. Okay, so it's say on your fingertips. So that's what I'm gonna do on my fingertips. And it's a small amount. So I'm gonna take time. Right, that's done. And then I'm gonna use the vitamin C. So it says apply a few drops of vitamin C serum to clean dry skin. Okay, so I can put this. You know what? Since this is like a brand new skincare, I really should have used like a patch test on my skin before on my face because you never know. So I'm praying and hopefully I was allergic to this brand and I'm good with it. Um, yes, I said apply a few drops of this the vitamin C to dry skin, a circular motion, blah blah blah. Use for both morning and night, following my moisturizer and daily sunscreen. No, I have not yet bought a sunscreen. Oops, I think that's a lot to use for this first time. Moisturize the usual, the ordinary. And just hurry up and do that. It's moving on to 10 o'clock and I wanted to leave my house from 9:30, so let me hurry up and show you the other stuff that I purchased on Amazon. Alright, and the next thing I picked up was a glycolic acid. Now I always use the ordinary tuna, but I wanted to try something different. And like I said, it's it was cheap. Okay. This brand is LOSKE. I'm actually gonna first of all, when I'm purchasing stuff at price at reasonable, I do not Google the brand. I don't know why I didn't do that. I just literally purchased it. But I'm gonna try this. And it's the same when I was reading it, it's the same, it's 7% glycolic acid. Literally the same as ordinary. So I am gonna see how this works for me. I'm gonna see it. Let me take it out of the box. And it's a little bit bigger than the ordinary. Well, what is the net of this? Oh, it's the same size. So this. So I'm gonna see how it works. It says the product, it has glycolic acid, it has aloe vera, Tasmanian pepperberry. It's plant extracts can effectively relieve the stimulation of acid components. It has ginseng extract. Ginseng contains special substances which can resist oxidation and alleviate aging, which we're going up in our age, so we're gonna need that. And this is done. Which was this manufactured? Dongwon Rai. I'm not sure if it's Chinese or Japanese or some Korean. It seems Korean. So I'm gonna Google it after though. Google after a purchase, right? Anyways, let's jump into the other item that I purchased. Now this chain that I've been wearing around my neck, it has been going for more than a year. And the chain itself is good, but the pendant on it, it was actually like silver type, and it's like the color is fading away, just the pendant. So once my stuff starts changing, I'm gonna wear them. Right now I have not worn any earring in ages because one, I don't know where they are, and honestly, if my stuff not like real or whoa, this chain is tiny. Well, I wanted something around my neck, but not so small. Let me show you guys the chain. It says, sometimes you forget that you're awesome. This is your reminder. Oops. This is real quick. And this is a chain. Amazon, and the brand is Gender. Once I put this around my neck, it's not coming. Okay, I know I didn't get a pendant for it, so I know I need to get a pendant. I think this looks okay for now, like a layered, until I figure out a pendant. Oh, I like it. So I'm gonna keep it around my chest. I'm not gonna remove it like I don't remove this chain. I shower and do everything in this one. So I'm gonna see how this performs for the week. And if it's still good, I'm gonna purchase another one, like a longer lens, so I can remove this one. So I'm just gonna wear it like this. But the silver, the color is really annoying me. I'm looking in my mirror, but I'm gonna let this stay like this because I love like the layer type of thing. And yeah, we're gonna see how it performs for like a week. If it's good to go, like I said, I'll buy another one, like a lot of longer lens, and we're gonna get a cute pendant. But let's talk about the agenda for today. I know this was very long, my Amazon skincare unboxing. So I'm gonna be heading out right now to clean an Airbnb, a luxury Airbnb. This is literally will be my first time cleaning, but it is summer, and where the money resides, I'm gonna go. Let me repeat. Where the money resides, I'm gonna go. Legit money, okay? So I'm gonna be cleaning an entire 6-bedroom house. Moi alone. Yes, it's my first time. So I have my gloves already. Well, they're supposed to provide gloves, but I'm still bringing my own gloves and mask. And I'm praying it's not like that. Let me tell you something. This is literally a first for me because I only clean like my space. Okay, I only clean my space, and that the only I know the worst place that's gonna eat me off is probably like the bathroom. So I'm gonna be doing a prayer before I start to clean out the bathroom, because you know how people are. You never know how people are clean and whatever. So just condition my mind, just going, clean, make that money. So yeah, it's summer, and like I said, anywhere the money is, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna work to make extra money this summer. It's literally July 4th. So happy July 4th to all the countries that are celebrating. I think it's America's July 1st today. But yeah, I need to anywhere extra money that makes sense that I can do, I'm gonna do it. So let's come with me to clean a luxury Airbnb, and yeah, let's see how this goes. We're running out of time right now. It's 1:10. I should have been there from 9:30 to start to get the ball rolling. That's gonna take me a while to clean because I'm a clean person, and yeah, it should continue always to clean. I'm just like envisioning that. Anyways, let's jump into heading out of here right now. Alright guys, so I am here at the house, and I'm gonna start off with the master bedroom. The regular thing is just bathroom and stuff. Oh my god, the bathroom is so icky! Oh my god, this is the first time I'm literally cleaning strangers' home, like strangers' bathroom. Like, oh, I got my mask. Gloves, number one priority. Let me put on my mask. And I got the mask. Oh, so no, obviously, the bathroom is kind of, but it's not that dirty. Obviously, I've seen a lot of hair and stuff. So, us females always makes mess with our hair. So it's a lot of hair. So I'm gonna start off with first and all that. Right now I am sweating, so first I'm gonna do though is to sweep, clean the bathroom, wipe. I'm gonna leave the bed, I'm spreading the bed for last, like that's just the last thing. And the person said they want the bed spread a specific way. I don't know that yet, so I'm leaving all of the beds for last. So I don't know what time it is. I'll just put the time on the screen, and we're gonna see how long this entire home is gonna take us.
Yeah. Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. Top that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid. Baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. So can't we...
so I know it's a little bit dark, guys, but I just wanted to come on and let you know I've finished bedroom number one, which is a master bedroom. Well, it's 99.9% done. The only thing that's left is to move out the couch and spread the bed. That's all. And the living room is all the way downstairs. So I'm not gonna be going up and down like I am. First of all, I'm tired already. Like cleaning is hard because I only did the master room and I'm like completely done already. But that's how I feel when I clean my small apartment, right? So kudos to all the cleaners out there. But this calls for me starting a cleaning business and have somebody do this for me. But we're gonna start off doing it first, see how much gigs we can get, how many times you can do this, and then we start having somebody to do it for me. Anyway, it's dark. I'm gonna move on to bedroom number three. So there's 3 bedrooms upstairs, 3 downstairs, and I'm only on bedroom 2. I'm so happy that there's only 1 bedroom that's shared between these 2 rooms the bathroom. I'm so happy there's just 1 bathroom shared between these 2 rooms because cleaning. But all 3 bedroom, yeah, all 3 other bedrooms has bathrooms. I have 4 bathrooms total left. My God, like the bathroom, icky. Anyways, I'm sitting and turn on the fan. I'm gonna blast the music and let's see how fast we can done. I'm gonna put the time on the screen and y'all see what time. What time did we start? I don't know, you can say we started to 12 o'clock. It's probably like after 2 right now, and I only finished 1 room, and I have 6 rooms, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 12 hours clean 6 bedrooms. It's whatever. I'm literally dusting. Like, let me tell you something. It's when I go to hotels and Airbnbs, like when I'm turning on the lamp or whatever, like I check the lamp. And if it's dusty, it's like ew. The portraits, the artwork, like I dust those because when I go to Airbnb and hotels, like I look at it and it's just so icky. I'm like, people, like just take a cloth and wipe it off, But y'all know they do standard cleaning mostly at Airbnb, which is wrong. Like I need to do deep cleaning every probably 3 months, 4 months, something. I don't know. But all right, I am actually gonna drink some Pepsi again to boost up my energy, have some sugar in my system. Then we're gonna start. So update, guys, my battery is at 4% and I left my charger. I asked for a charger, so hopefully I get it. There is a mosquito that's like, yeah, I need to get rid of it. Just that one specific one, it's playing around. Anyways, I am having some island grill, the same thing that I normally buy if you watch my vlogs, curry, rice and peas, and curry chicken. I can't say I'm halfway. I'm almost halfway of finishing this work, but it is so much. I have the entire this to do, dining quarters, and then the entire kitchen down there. So I still have a lot of work to do, but I'm just gonna hurry up and eat and then get back at it. It's 5. It's almost 6 o'clock, like 20 minutes to 6 p.m. So I have a lot to do. And obviously, based on my time span, I'm not going to finish tonight. So I'm going to just come back tomorrow and finish up. You know, I can't finish tonight if I just stay all night. Like probably the next like 4 hours, I can't be done. Well, it's 6 o'clock right now, so probably starting like 6:20. I get going. By 11 p.m. I should finish, but I'll keep you updated and hopefully I get a charger. But in the interim, let me hurry up and eat. And yeah, we'll chat whenever I get some charge on my phone. Morning, guys. So it's day 2 of cleaning a luxury Airbnb, and the girl is still not done. But we're almost there. It's moving on to 11 a.m. And I'm here. I'm going to start completing. So the only thing I have left is spread the beds, spread the bed downstairs bed, clean all 3 bathrooms, and that's it. Oh, I'm gonna spin around the camera and show you something. Here, these are all clean bedding, towel, sheets, duvet, all of that, and garbage here. So that's the only thing I have left. Now, so this room is completed pretty much. Let me take up this. This room is completed. So just the bathroom remaining here. And let me take out this. This is supposed to go in the other room. So yeah, this room is basically completed. The pillows are not centered. I need to fix that. All right, so that's that. And the other room, I'm actually in the linen closet to look for bedding. I'll need to look for a top sheet for that. All right, I'm getting a call. I'll be right back. So it's Sunday at 2:30 something in the afternoon, and I can proudly say we are 99.7% ready. Completely done with this house. So let me give you a rundown. So I just need to find sheets for 2 beds. Well, the 2 top sheets for 2 beds. I need to find towels, and I need to like clean up the linen closet a little bit because it's a little bit chaotic. So I'm gonna have to organize the linen closet right now. So all of the clean sheets and towels and everything is literally in a garbage bag right here. So I need to go through them to find what I need for the towel and the bedding. So my idea is I'm just gonna jump in the living room right now, try to organize and clean this up a little bit. Then I'm gonna go through these bags and put them in the linen closet, and that way I'll be able to sift through and find what I need to just complete downstairs. Like I am done out. I am tired. Will I ever do this again? Probably not. Yeah, this hard type of labor, I don't think it's for me. Like it's like a lot of cleaning. And let me tell you, see, when I clean, I literally move every furniture. So that's why it has also taken me long. I literally move every furniture, move the bed. If I can't move the bed, because some of them are definitely heavy, but I go under, like I go to every crypts and curve of each room. The only thing, oh my God, the fans. So there are a few fans in some other, all rooms has AC, right? But there are a few, I think about 2 fans that like are really, really bad and needs to clean. So I'm gonna have to pull those white them. So yeah, I want to be finished within the next 2.5 hours. So that's gonna bring me to 4:30 somewhere there about. So the girl can head home and rest her feet. I feel like I need a massage this week. Like hard labor, yeah. I don't think hard labor is up for me. The hard labor. But yeah, I'm just gonna jump in the linen closet right now, fully just do what I can do, give you guys a little bit of tours. It's not gonna be like a full tour, but it show you what I've done with the rooms. And yeah, gotta head out of here and head home. But I hope you guys enjoy this cleaning. Like I know this is a slow vlog, slow cleaning vlog. Like most of these clips are just going to be videos, but I am tired. But I hope you guys do enjoy the slow vlog. All right, let's get into the linen closet. Did not remember to do like a final video of the place, guys. I totally forgot. Like, I am just so exhausted. I just wanted to come out. So I totally forgot to show you guys like the final thing, but I know you guys had seen like bits and pieces of the house and all of that, but like cleaning in general is a task, okay? Because when I clean my tiny 1-bedroom place, right? As I said, yeah, when I clean my 1-bedroom tiny place, I'm exhausted for the day, you know? So thinking 6 rooms, that's wild. That's wild AF. But I did it. I completed it. So I'm super happy about that. Now I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna take me a nice shower. I'm gonna get me some nice food. What am I gonna eat? I need to figure that out. I had Island Grill again today for lunch. So I still have Island Grill here, but I'm not gonna be hungry. I'm gonna be slightly hungry later. It's just a small amount of Island Grill left. So I'm just gonna grab me some nice food. Do I have juice at home? I pray I have juice at home because yeah. But it was a good weekend of making money. That's the only thing that get me going. I'm getting paid. So that money that can just cover I don't have anything to cover right now, but yeah, probably when it's time I just put it towards a bill. Pretty much. I don't have to dip into any other money or whatever. So yeah, so cheers. We're having one because we're very thirsty, so cheers to having more work paid weekend. Not necessarily cleaning, because I don't know if I would do this again, but yeah, and more money, just more money coming in consistently. Yeah, that's what we want. Summer is around the corner. I can't believe we're moving on to starting off. What is this going on to the 2nd week of July? I don't even know. And I need to buy like clothing items. I need to get some clothing items for summer. I do have some places in mind that I want to attend, so I really need to figure it out ASAP. I'm gonna go on Fashion Nova and Shein. Those 2 places are literally purchased from. There are also a store here too, some local store I can go into. I know I need to go to Washington Boulevard, the Super Center. They do have, there's a store in there that sells stuff too. So yeah, but I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this cleaning vlog, and I'll see you in another one.